Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is fractions and decimals. So as I told you, in the first half of the chapter we will discuss the fractions, and in the later half of the chapter we will discuss the decimals. So this is exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3 we are supposed to find question number 1. The first part is there, find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 3 by 5 and 4 by 3. So I will do the first question, first part, and second part you are supposed to do by yourself, and that is question number 1, part number first, that is find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, and then 3 by 5, and C is 4 by 3. So A part is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, that will be 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Of means multiply, and the answer will be 1 by 16. 1 by 16 is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. B part 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 means 1 by 4 of means multiply 3 upon 5. So we are supposed to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, means these two and these two. 3 1 ja 3 and 4 5 ja 20. So 3 upon 20 is 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So C part is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3, and that will be 1 by 4 of means multiply 4 by 3. So here we can see that 4 can be cancelled out, upside and downside we can cancel. So the answer will be 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 is 1 by 4th of 4 by 3. So like this we are supposed to attempt the second part of this question, in which we are supposed to find 1 by 7. 1 by 7 of 2 upon 9, 6 upon 5 and 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10, like this only we have done. So after that we will discuss question number 2. In question number 2 we have to multiply. Question number 2, part first, that is 2 by 3 multiply by 2 and 2 by 3. So the first step will be, if any fraction is given in the mixed form, we are supposed to convert that into improper fraction. Improper fraction we are supposed to multiply these two numbers, and then we are supposed to add this 2. So 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 2 8 upon 3. So upside and downside we cannot cancel out any of the number, like this and this or this or this. So what we will do, we will multiply numerator into numerator and multiply by denominator by denominator. 8 2 ja 16 and 3 3 ja 9. So this is improper fraction, and the answer should be in the mixed fraction. So what we will do, we will divide 16 by 9, 9 1 ja 9, and the remainder will be 7. So the answer will be 1 and 7 upon 9. That is the answer of first part. Like this only all the parts are same, and we can discuss that the third part as well. Third part is 3 upon 8 multiply by, that is 6 upon 4. 6 upon 4. So here we are seeing that 6 and 2 are divisible by 2, or 6 or 8 are divisible by 2. We can either numbers we can cut. So 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Afterwards nothing can be cancelled out. We will see that 3 3 ja 9 and 4 4 ja 16. 9 upon 16 is the answer. That is already in the proper fraction, so there is no need to convert in any of the thing, or there is no need to reduce, because that is already reduced. How to reduce the fraction to a lowest form? If two numbers are there, that numerator and denominator are coming in the same numbers table, then we are supposed to cut those numerator and denominator, or we are supposed to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number if they are divisible, and if they are not divisible, then the answer is there only, we cannot do anything in that. Now the next question is question number 3. Again, in question number 3 you are supposed to multiply. So we will take one part from question number 3 as well. So from question number 3 we will take, all the parts are same, we can take any one. So that is 2 upon 5. First part is 2 upon 5 multiply by 5 and 1 by 4. 5 and 1 by 4. The same thing we are supposed to repeat here. We are supposed to write this and we are supposed to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 1 21 upon 4. Now we are seeing that 2 and 4 are there. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. 2 and 4 are coming in the table of 2. So that's why we will cut that. Now we will get 21 upon 5 2 is 10. Now this is in the improper form because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Then what we will do? We will reduce to the mixed fraction by dividing. 10 2 is 20 and then 1 is there. So the mixed form will be 2 and 1 by 10, and this will be our answer. At the same time, question number 4, which is greater? Which one is greater? And the numbers are given, that is 2 upon 7 or 3 upon 4. So there we will put one box there. Now we will convert them into equivalent fractions having the same denominator. These are unlike fractions because they are having the different denominators. So now what we will do? We will make these two fractions with same denominator. For same denominator, we will take the LCM of 7 and 4. The LCM of 7 and 4 will be 28. We will make that 28. To make that 28, 2 upon 7 and 3 upon 4, we have to multiply by some number. For 7 we are supposed to multiply by 4. To make 28, the same number we will multiply the numerator as well. Here we will make the 28 by multiplying by 7, here again by 7. So we will get 4 to the 8 upon 28, and between the boxes there, here 7 3 is 21 and 28. Now we can see that the denominators are same. So now these are the like fractions. So we are supposed to compare only the numerators, 8 or 21, which is greater? 21 is greater, the sign will be like that. So our answer will be this, 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 7. Like this we are supposed to proceed these questions. I hope that you have understood these methods and you will try all the questions today only. If any doubt is there, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts by both the methods. Either we can rectify, or if it is a minute doubt, so we can clear on the phone call, or if it is it requires a video, then we will prepare a new video with a different method so that you can easily understand the questions, how to solve the questions. But the bottom line is that you are supposed to proceed the exercise, means you are supposed to try to solve the questions. If you will try to solve the questions, some of the questions you can solve, and in some of the questions you can have the doubts. For doubts we are here to rectify your doubts. We will try our level best to make you understand. After that only you can proceed and you can easily solve the questions given in the exercise in your textbook. Thank you very much.